Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antornews. Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. U Asif Sheikh u badai unong shnong jong tral ha ke ilaka Pulwama la subajur ba udan benta ha ke ka jingtmu hiarthma. Ka ïing jong uwei u lehnoh ka Lashkar-e-Taiba LET u bala tip kyrteng kum Asif Sheikh u bala kynnoh ba udai u donkti ha ke jingthombor ha Pahalgam. Kala shah pynpra ha Jammu and Kashmir ha ke miet jong kasni Thohdieng. Na ka liang ulat pathai khubor PTI ka iathuh ba ki ïing jong ki arngut ki LET kila shah pynpra ha ke jingbthei bom. Ka PTI ka iathuh da ka ba pensong nongrim ya ki he sarkar ba ki bor pahara ki dang pelong ya ke jing kinra ha ki jakasa jong ki arngut ki lehnoh LET u adil huzin thokar ba u Asif Sheikh ha ba ki tiar pynpra ki bladep thung hapo ki ïing kila bthei.
It was during the cordon and search operation when these houses have been blasted. Now these are the two militant commanders of two separate outfits. One is the Lashkar-e-Taiba, that's the Adil, and another one is Asif Sheikh from the Jaish-e-Mohammed militant organization, and he is the key involved in the recent terror act in the Pahalgam. Now this is the action that has been initiated, though the investigation has been swung into action, but this is the first action that we have been witnessing in the parts of the Kashmir Valley, particularly in the southern region, where these two incidents have been unfolded.
बाद में आप